Alright, so I wanted to just give a short status update on Mount, just to show what interface I've basically got going here. So at the moment, it presents itself as a local disk and has these three roots in it. So if we do IPFS, it will get the results for your recursive pins. And you can use whatever path, whatever valid IPFS path you want, but these are the only ones that are presented. Of course, I picked the empty one, but they work just as you would expect them to. My image viewer is not the best to show off since it has no UI, but you can see I'm navigating the directory, opening files, doing whatever. You can copy stuff out of here. IPNS does your keys, so this seems to take a while. But eventually it gets there, and same rule with this. You could provide a local path like self or whatever other key names you have and go in there, or you could just paste in a manual IPFS path either in Explorer or on the command line or wherever you would request the path, and it should resolve. There's also caching in here, so you can see it's not resolving that every time. At the moment I just have it set to a minute for both of these, so if you haven't queried in that long, then it'll refresh, but under a minute it's just going to reuse the root. Local is MFS, so if I do there's that, except for the fact that the Windows command prompt is bad. There's that, and you can see that we just run stuff off of it like we would under IPFS. Very slowly because of my debugging stuff at the moment. I've got to implement write support and deal with not found errors more quickly. I hope that's not super loud. But yeah, I mean, this is just a game that is not read-only. I've done it now. This is a game that's not read-only, but it doesn't crash or anything when it can't save, so you can totally come in here and actually play it. That's not gonna work. I forget how to do this. Anyway, that's not the point. So yeah, that's the current interface I have for it. I want to add writing for keys under IPNS, so if you have the key, then you should be able to write to either the local name or the probably not the CID, so we'll just keep that at the moment for that, for key names. And then for local, same deal, where I should be able to create directories and files in here and have them represented and work as they should, with reader and read and all that stuff. But basic IPFS read-only support should be more or less done, I guess. It's just a matter of refining and optimizing here in the core. And then same with, I guess, IPNS outside of writable stuff, and same with local outside of writable. All this stuff works at the moment for read. It's just a matter of mutating and, more importantly, nailing this down and making sure that this is the interface we want to present. A structure like this. I was thinking it doesn't. Let's see. We'll do IPFS mount with the daemon off and do IPNS, and if I list here, nothing comes out because we're offline. But I was thinking of like scenarios where we would want to present fake files with data in them, and then I was thinking that's way too complicated and going way out of scope. So it's something maybe people could build on top of the MFS local space, but maybe not here. I don't know, just spitballing that one. In any case, that's the current status, so looking forward to seeing if you have anything to say about it.